this 13-year-old TV abandoned by Samsung run Minecraft? Well, let's find out. My family bought this TV in 2010 when it came out. The TV was a big deal as it was one of the first TVs that had a web browser, games, apps, and streaming, all without needing a separate set-top box or any of that nonsense. It even has its own little app store, but it's actually missing one game, arguably one of the best games ever made, Minecraft. This is the first video in a challenge where I'm trying to run Minecraft, or some rendition of it, on every single electronic device I have. That includes cars, computers, DVD players, phones, routers, and of course, the first smart TV. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I tried to do was to head to Eaglercraft, which is a website that lets you play a remake of Minecraft optimized for older devices. For legal reasons, I can't suggest that you use this website, but it's what I did first. As I expected, it didn't work. This is going to be harder than I thought. As this TV is so outdated, its web browser doesn't even support HTTPS, which is a protocol used by almost every website for securing websites. And as you guessed it, Eaglercraft uses HTTPS. Honestly, I thought that this was the end. Every single version I tried, nearly every website I went to gave the same error. Just didn't work. I almost gave up, but then I remembered something. Eaglercraft has an offline version. I raced to my computer, downloaded the offline version, and started hosting it. With shaky hands, I typed in the IP address of my computer, and it started loading the game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0. 0? 0. Clearly not working. I tried looking at the code for Eaglercraft, but it was super complicated and I couldn't figure it out at all. I tried finding even older versions of Eaglercraft, but always the same issue. Eventually, I came across a Minecraft knockoff called Webcraft. It looked like it had potential, but it just didn't even load either. After hours of debugging, I found out why it wasn't working and why even Eaglercraft wouldn't have worked if it had been decompressed. The way that most web games work is through a technology called WebGL, or Web Graphics Library. It allows websites to easily render 2D and 3D objects without messing with plugins. The problem? Well, this old TV doesn't even have WebGL, so I had to go find some incarnation of Minecraft that doesn't even need WebGL. It's pretty hard, as this rules out any kind of 3D Minecraft. After doing some more searching, I found CHS Minecraft, a 2D Minecraft clone that uses the HTML canvas instead of WebGL, which this old TV supports. So after setting it up and trying to load it, it froze. This is the last option, so I really have to get it to work, and I don't even think there's an even simpler version of Minecraft. Why isn't it working? I look at the code, and then I find it. It's trying to load chunks of code from websites that the TV doesn't support due to HTTPS issues. After downloading the files right to my computer's hard drive, which is now basically functioning as a server, I reloaded the page, and it started downloading assets. Finally, after days, progress. The game just kept loading. It was unbearably slow, and it took over 8 whole minutes. But then, this showed. It was actually working. The music, the title screen, the mouse pointer was barely moving, and the TV was lagging so bad. I accepted the agreement, and it started loading the world. I was so shocked, I nearly cried.
Oh my god.
After all this time, it was working. Or was it? The world was corrupt, and I couldn't even move the character around. The browser appeared to have completely froze, as I couldn't even open any of the menus in the browser. But still, for a few milliseconds, it ran some form of Minecraft. So, would I recommend doing this? Probably not. It's not even playable, as the TV only has 800 megabytes of RAM, which is not nearly enough for this. But it was quite the challenge, and I still can't believe that I got it to work. Now, if you are watching this video, it is pretty likely that you're a gamer or enjoy playing games. And when it comes to gaming, the last thing you want is a hacker in your computer, or even a useless antivirus that does nothing but slow you down. Malwarebytes provides award-winning protection without slowing you down, so you can game at your best without any interruptions or FPS drops. Whether you're competing online or just enjoying your favorite titles, Malwarebytes keeps the threats out of your system and keeps it running smoothly. So click the link in the description for 25% off Malwarebytes Premium, and you get to support the channel. And while you're down there, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, so you can be updated on the next gadget I try to put Minecraft on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.